5 years, that's how long I have been on YouTube, and I've come across a lot of types of videos on YouTube which may be not known to much of the YouTube users. So this video is about 5 types of videos, 5 unknown types of videos on YouTube that exist on YouTube. And if you are thinking of being a YouTuber, you probably can try one of these types and make videos on that. So let's start. Number 1, Mukbang. Now what happens in this video is that the person who's creating the video, in this type of video, they either buy a lot of food or make a lot of food and collect it in front of them and they just eat it. So it's that simple. You just have to hog on food. And this is the first type of video I'm talking about, mukbang, where you just have to sit in front of a lot of food and start eating them. Number 2, ASMR. Now this type of video has gained a lot of followers in the past few years, but at one point of time this was very rare. Now what happens in ASMR videos is that I don't know if that's the right word, but close-up sounds are being recorded and then it's just put in the video. So it may be the voice or the sound of a waterfall or nature, insects chirping or making sounds, rainfall, and little things which relaxes you. A woman talking in a very hushed and sexy voice. Maybe she's just scrolling her fingers on the mic, and a lot of these things. Basically, the focus here is on the audio. It's very crisp and very sharp. So yeah, it kind of tingles you, it kind of plays with your auditory sense and things like that. Type 3, music for dogs. Now this may need some kind of knowledge in music, because I really don't know what kind of music dog hears, or if it's really a valid thing. Maybe it is, because yeah, this definitely is a type of videos on YouTube you'll find. And yeah, it's basically music for your dogs to relax them or to put them to sleep or things like that. So basically music for dogs. Number 4, study with me. Now in this type of video, what happens is the person creating the video probably will be doing an assignment or will be doing some sort of study and recording themselves on the camera. So if I let's say if I have an assignment to do, so I'll be sitting for 1 hour and doing my assignment and recording the whole thing and putting it on YouTube. So the people who themselves want to do some kind of assignment, or they want to study something, they will click on this video, and kind of it feels that they are doing work together. So that's the main aim. So you basically just record yourself studying something or reading something or writing something, or basically which falls in the ambit of studying. So that's the 4th type. The 5th type is silent vlogs. Now I personally have vlogged a lot on this channel, but I have come on the screen, I have shown my face, and I've definitely spoken a lot. I'm still doing it. But in this video, silent vlogs are where it's basically vlogging, but there's no sound or no voice of the creator. So it's just videos. He or she is going to a new place. So the train journey, getting out of the train, going to a place, everything is shown, but there's no sound in it. There are definitely sounds, but there's no voice in it. So it's basically kind of you seeing things from a perspective, but you're not being told anything about it. So you might as well feel like you are actually going through it. This type of video is very much beneficial for introverts who really want to come in YouTube and make videos. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of introverts who came to YouTube and became ambiverts or maybe extroverts. But this is one type of video which is very interesting, because you really don't have to come on to the camera or say anything. It's just the videos you capture. It's just the visuals you see, you capture it and you put it in the video. So that's number 5. That's silent vlogs. Those were the 5 types of videos for today. I will be back with another 5 type of videos in the next episode, or let's say in the next part of this video. So till then, you take care.